Hi, my name is Amarjit Raj Sahi. I am from Nalanda, Bihar. I have completed bachelor's in computer application from Maulana Majrul Haq University in 2024. Then I shifted to IT sector. One of my friend told me about eVision IT internship program with the help of experienced mentor, where I have learned about CCNA, basic of networking, Windows administrator, Windows Server, Linux, ITIL, and network security. Right now, right now I am so excited. Right now I am share you to I am I am selected in Fortis Network Limited as a desktop support engineer. Thank you, eVision team, and thank you all.